Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account activation and the app on your phone. That saves time. Next, plug in the dish and power the primary Starlink router or Ethernet adapter, then wait for the dish to acquire satellites. Once the dish shows ready, move to placement. Choose a central, elevated spot for the router to minimize walls. Make sure devices you'll add to the mesh are nearby for the next steps so you can complete pairing without repeated trips. Now you add mesh nodes one at a time using the Starlink app or the router's web UI. This is where precision matters. Position the first node within good signal range and start the pairing process, then proceed to additional nodes, spacing them about 1 to 2 rooms apart to maintain strong handoffs. If you can use Ethernet for backhaul, do so because wired links reduce latency and congestion. Once nodes are online, standardize the SSI. Finish by validating coverage. Walk the house, run speed tests in problem spots, and note latency. If you find dead zones, shift the nearest node slightly toward that area and retest. Small adjustments often solve coverage gaps. Lower performance may require changing channels or enabling band steering, so make incremental changes and measure results. If a node won't join, reboot it and verify Ethernet and power. Only factory reset as a last resort, because you'll need to reconfigure the mesh afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.